We need a replacement core support to fix the Price Sisters 1966 Pontiac Tempest. It's rough. In the meantime, the Tempest stays parked until a parts car comes available. I know where there's a Tempest parts car. I've had my eye on it, and I've been trying to buy it for 10 years. The owner is finally ready to let go. Whoa! This core support is bad too. I had committed to buy the Tempest, but the part I need is no good. I called for a backup plan. Keith and Ron would relocate the rusty Pontiac.
I'm going in 66.
It's against the tree. Let's drag it that way a little bit.
Yep. I once went out with a girl named Tempest because her name was Tempest, and all my Pontiac friends would be jealous. They were. How close are we? We're there. All right. We made it. Like Barry Manilow. Looks like we made it. Wait. Let's go that way.
This fender's in pretty good shape over here, Keith.
It is. I don't know why the other one's rusted out like. Oh, I know what it is, because it had the trim on it. The pine star got behind the trim.
I think it's worth saving now that you got this good side up in the air.
Yeah, it's worth saving. Oh yeah, it's worth saving.
What's it worth?
This car may go back on the road. I bought it for parts, but I'm thinking now it needs to go back on the road. Keith's been trying to get back in the Pontiac game for a while. I've been trying to get back in the Pontiac game for a while. This may be my end right here.
Parked since 1977. The dually's gonna give it a tug. The one family-owned Tempest is relocating.
Did you get it on film?
Tried.
I'm going in.
I got an idea. I'm going in. Through the back window. It's not there. I'm going in.
Hang on, we're almost in. I love this guy.
It's hard to see out of these windows. They haven't been washed since 1977. Once I stick my head in, I realize there's no floor pans. I gotta use the top of the seat to balance myself, because I can't stand on what's not there. You ready for me to get out? Moss has been growing inside the Tempest. It's like a greenhouse with blue seats. The car had been repainted at some point red. It was originally blue with blue interior. A C10 might be a bonus.
I got a 7,000-pound dude who says I'm gonna snatch it out.
Which one of you wants to buy this 1967 C10? Custom cab, short wheelbase. I know somebody out there likes green trucks. Keith was quick to snatch it up. A few difficulties during loading.
It's doing a little bit. I'm up on the side here. That's done it.
Well, I had no place to put the Tempest, so I can't beat myself up for not buying the truck or any other car in the yard. Before I knew it, they were all gone, just like that.
I said one of us found the big ant bed. Guess which one?
Did the ants eat a hole in your pants?
They did.
Wow.
Man, they were all up it. It's crazy.
Well, hopefully we can get the Price Sisters Pontiac back on the road. We're still searching for parts. 2.5 hours digging out of the woods.
2.5 hours hard digging. We had to use a...
This car was parked in '77. I'd like to think these are one owners now, going to the second owner after all these years.
Second owner. Yeah, actually, I'm the second owner, y'all.
There you go.
Second. One owner cars. Yes, they are complete. They got rust in them, but no dents. It's amazing. So they were definitely loved before they got parked. All right, guys, we're going to load up. It's getting dark. We got a ways to go back to the house, and see y'all soon. Bye-bye.